Okay, so we're going to talk about the form that we've been using and how it relates to the properties like we did in 9.6. So in 9.6 we had a quadratic function given in this form, and we were asked to graph it. And so we did things. We said, well, is it right side up or upside down? You know, that was like step 1. Is it upward or downward? And then step 2, we found the axis of symmetry. And then in step 3, we found the vertex. And then in step 4, we found the x-intercepts. Oh, maybe we found the y-intercepts first. It doesn't really matter which one you do first. I think we did the y-intercept first. So we found the y-intercepts. We just find all the intercepts and the x-intercepts. I'll just write it this way. And then if we need more points, sometimes we need more points, we get them. And then finally we graph. Okay, so those were the steps that we were using before. Well, now we have a form, so it's going to be the f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So a will tell us if it's right side up or upside down, okay? So if a is positive, it's right side up. If a is negative, it's upside down. Oops. If a is positive, if a is negative, then it's upside down. That's the same as what we did before in 9.6. Okay. To find the axis of symmetry, it's going to be the axis of symmetry is going to be the line x equals h. Okay? So if you know what h is, then you know the axis of symmetry. The vertex is at h, comma, k. So that's one of the reasons we like the form that we've got, this new form we're using, because you can look at it and you know exactly what the vertex is. We still have to find the intercepts. The intercepts are probably easier to find in this form. So if they start you out in that form, you might as well just use that form. But it's the same process. You can find both the y-intercept and the x-intercept if they didn't start you in that form, but they started you in the standard form. And then if you need more points, you can still get more points and graph. Okay. So that's the idea, is that now that we have this form right here, this, I call it the standard form, we can know what the axis of symmetry is and we know what the vertex is by those relationships, okay? And that's going to make it a little bit easier when we go to graph them using the properties, which we're going to do in the next video.